And John, why don't we talk a little bit about this website here that you have called FreeCleanSolar.com? Tell me about this website.
Well, FreeCleanSolar, we're a company that is truly believing in driving the solar cost down so everybody can afford it. You know?
That's it.
Yeah, and we're doing it.
Today, we're going to have Rich talk to us a little bit about his company. Rich, so
Sure.
Why don't you tell everybody what you guys do and how easy solar is to install
Sure.
in your home?
Sure. Well, first I want to say I'm originally from Cleveland.
Okay.
Born and raised in Parma and grew up with John.
Excellent.
So I have roots here and know it well, and I wish everyone in Ohio had solar panels. And they will eventually. I started the business about 10 years ago. And it started as a service to contractors to try to help them generate new business. And I tried that for a couple of years. And in the process of doing that, I started to offer solar products for sale on a website. And I did it to try to generate business for other contractors. And what I found was just consumers, businesses just started to order products from us.
They would just order the solar
I'd
panels.
wake up in the morning and there'd be an order waiting for us.
Sure.
And I was like, wow, maybe people really want this stuff.
Well, they tried it 30 years ago, right?
That's right. That's right.
And now you've perfected it.
And that's a good point because it's so different now. The products are so much more powerful. The prices have come down so much that really everyone can afford to have solar. And that's kind of our mission, is to make solar power affordable and simple for everyone.
Affordable is the key.
That's right. That's right, because
And simple is important too.
and simple is important, but affordable first and foremost.